Hi friends, welcome to the Car and Journey Admirer. I hope you all are doing good and living your life to the sky high. First of all, I would like to thank all my viewers from bottom of my heart for an amazing response on my last video which was on Rolls-Royce Droptail, the most expensive car. On the positive note, let's start today's video of most powerful car, and the car is none other than Koenigsegg's Gemera. Koenigsegg is Sweden-based company which deals in hypercars. And Koenigsegg is the name from whom we got fastest car also, that is Jesko Absolute. Let's check out interior and exterior of the most powerful car, then we'll talk about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the interior and exterior of the car. Now let's check what's under the hood, due to which Koenigsegg's Gemera became most powerful production car in the world. So friends, Gemera's hood is packed with two engines. First is internal combustion engine, that is petrol engine, and second is electronic motor which draws power from battery, so we can safely say this is a hybrid car. Let's check technical details of these engines. Petrol engine is 5-liter twin turbo V8 engine which produces 1500 horsepower. To your surprise, this car redlines at 8500 rpm, whereas normal cars starts redline at 6000 rpm. There is a gap of 2500 rpm, and this is a huge. Therefore, such cars are known as mega cars. Moreover, it gives torque of 1500 Nm at 5000 rpm. Now, electronic motor produces 800 horsepower and gives torque of 1250 Nm. Therefore, combined output is staggering 2300 horsepower and 2750 Newton meter torque. Gearbox options are 9-speed multi-clutch gearbox with 4-wheel drive. Friends, it's time to check roar of V8 engine of Gemera. Let's have a look on this. So friends, this is how Gemera's engine sounds like. I must say this was not less than spine chilling effect. Now let's discuss unique things about Gemera. Gemera combines scintillating performance with practicalities of full four-seater car including luggage space. And please note here, luggage space is not for namesake. We can keep 4 carry-on suitcases at the back. If we compare this with other supercars, then forget about luggage space. Moreover, max 2 persons can be accommodated. Therefore, this is the Koenigsegg's mega car experience that can be shared with family and friends. This car comes with carbon fiber monocoque chassis, whereas our normal cars have chassis made of high strength steel. Please don't even dare to think that carbon fiber is not strong, because lots of R&D is done before putting fiber. And to reassure you, this is homologated car, which means have passed all crash rating tests with flying colors. This car has no B pillar. Let me simplify for you. Generally, there are three pillars in the car, namely A, B, and C. A starts from dashboard, B starts from mid of the car, and C starts from rear seats of the car. All these pillars save occupants in case of any mishappening and gives structural rigidity to the car. However, Koenigsegg Gemera has done away with B pillar in order to make ingress and egress more easier for occupants. Please don't consider this as safety hazard, as it's a homologated car. Only 300 units of Gemera will be produced to maintain exclusivity of the car, and deliveries will begin in Q1 of 2025. Single door on left and right of car for entry and exit. Gemera is a Swedish word which signifies to give more. Let's discuss price of the car. Estimated price for this car is 1.7 million USD, that is 15 crore rupees approx. That's it guys. See you soon with new thrilling video. Till then, signing off. Thank you.
Thank you.